How to cure macular degeneration with the top 5 eye exercises. The macula is the center of clear vision in the center of the eye, and if you have macular degeneration, your central vision works badly, and the picture becomes blurry and cloudy. First eye exercise is solarization, in other words sunning, which is great for regeneration retinal and macular cells. Sunlight for the eye is one of the main stimuli for eye health and vision recovery. You don't have to look directly at the sun. We look with closed eyes and the sunlight passes through the eyelids. You can look just below the sun and rotate your head to the right and then to the left. And sunlight will reach the retina, so old retinal cells will go and new ones will appear. Second, it's necessary to increase visual activity and more often look around and blink at the same time, so that the accommodation of the eyes works. If your eye is actively working, blood circulation in the eyes will improve and useful nutrients will be delivered without barriers. Recovery will be enhanced. The brain is responsible for everything in our body. Whatever you do, the brain is responsible for everything. When we do eye exercises, we build new neurological pathways in our brain that will look for eyesight improvement. Third, if you have habits of bad vision, then you need to remove bad habits and form good habits of clear vision, such as blinking every second and light stretching eye exercises that need to be done daily. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course to improve your eyesight naturally, to get rid of myopia or astigmatism, join my Eyesight Academy course. The link will be in the description below. Fourth, if you don't know how to relax and do nothing to relax, then learn it first. On my channel there is a meditation to relax the muscle of the face and eyes. You can start with it to learn how to relax the muscle of the face and eye muscles. Unfortunately, no one taught me to relax, and only by testing various methods of natural vision restoration I found the most effective method and share it with you. I began to master different techniques and found something that really helped me to get rid of myopia, which I had for about 20 years. Fifth, in Chinese Tibetan medicine, it is believed that in general, the liver and blood flow is the basis for the deterioration of vision and improvement of vision. Of course, the state of the liver affects vision, and you know that in people who have liver problems, the eyes turn yellow and vision deteriorates. If you have a bad problem with your liver, then of course you need to clean your liver and you need to heal it and restore it. The main thing is to start with relaxation and add light stretching exercises and vision will be restored.